I'm going to cook salmon with noodles, Asian style. And for this recipe, we're gonna use some spaghettis, and we're gonna put them here in hot water. Don't add any oil, okay? Just wait around like 12 minutes. All you have to do is just keep moving the noodles so they don't stick. And here I have two fillets of salmon. I'm gonna add some salt, garlic powder, and cumin. You can add other ingredients if you want to. I'm gonna put the salt, the garlic powder, and the cumin on top of it on one side, and we're gonna do that on the second side of the salmon too. And you can use any type of fish for this recipe. You can even get away using chicken. So I'm gonna flip the salmon and add the ingredients. I'm gonna check to see how the noodles are doing. What I like to do is just grab one and just eat it to see if it's soft, tender. I don't like it too hard. They're already cooked. I'm gonna strain them. Make sure you put cold water. This is not a Italian pasta that we're making. When you add water, the noodles get a nice texture. So just put a lot of cold water. That's all we have to do. And this recipe is so easy to make at home. Okay, we're already finished with the noodles. Just leave them alone. Set them aside. And on a pan, I'm gonna add some canola oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. And we're gonna fry the salmon. You can cook the salmon in the oven. You can put them on a grill. But this time I'm gonna just put them on a pan with some hot oil. What I like to do is just put a lid, so that way the salmon will cook pretty fast. Let's wait around like 3 or 4 minutes, and then look at the color. Just flip them and then put the lid back again and just wait another 3 or 4 minutes. And ladies and gentlemen, we already finished cooking the salmon. We're gonna remove them from the pan, and now we're gonna cook the noodles. We are done. Now in a pan, you're gonna add a little bit of oil, okay? Just wait for the oil to be hot. I have some chopped onions, some purple cabbage, and some green onions. Now we're gonna stir everything here. When I cook noodles, I like to add vegetables. You can omit the vegetable if you want. I have some garlic and ginger paste that I made. One of these days I'm gonna upload a video and show you, so that way I don't have to chop or cut garlic and ginger when I'm cooking Asian food. It's a good way to keep it in the refrigerator, and it will last you a long time. Just keep coming back to my channel and you will see that later on. Now let's put all the noodles in here and just keep mixing everything so the noodles will get all that flavor. I'm gonna use some oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and some soy sauce. Just put like maybe 2 tablespoons of each sauce on top of the noodle, and I like to add a little bit of sugar. You can use honey instead of sugar if you want. When you add all these ingredients, especially the sauces, the noodles get a nice brown and beautiful color. That's what we want here. I have the flame of the stove very high, and you don't have to use a wok. You can use any pan. See, look how beautiful the noodles look. And you don't have to use Asian noodles. You can use Italian noodles. And I'm already finished cooking this easy and delicious recipe, Asian style. Now we're gonna put the salmon on top of it, and that's how I cook salmon. I like cooking at home, so easy, you save some money. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make a sauce. I have some sushi ginger that I bought in the supermarket, and I chopped some of those, and then I like to add a little bit of soy sauce on top of it. You can put wasabi if you want it spicy, and then put on top of it, and that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. Give it a like, come back, subscribe, and don't forget to activate your bell so that way YouTube will let you know every time I upload a video. See you later.